You've been integral with this competition for so many years. You're a serious collaborator.
I can't resist the performance of the young generation and the determination of Mr. Raven Command. First of all, I really have to be on board, and I will always continue to be supportive because of the cause and the development of the next generation.
Stephen, you've been observing clearly all the action this season. Your thoughts as you summarize it.
Okay, so I believe this competition is growing, and we've seen that the enthusiasm of these young people, it's growing. And so when you have them going into their presentation where the research their songs that were being played on the radio before they were even thought of. And so they research our Jamaican songs, foreign songs, R&B, jazz, everything, every genre. And they come and bring out what they feel, how they feel, at a very high standard. It's almost, there's a saying, the little child shall lead them. And so here it is, you have these young people going into their thing, doing their research, and then delivering at such a high standard. It's exemplary to who is out there right now.
It's been an exciting season. I think it's one of the most competitive. And Dinthill was able to repeat, which has never been done before. So that's a bit of history they're being a part of. So it's been amazing.
And any new prospects, you think for the new season, what you're thinking about, what you may add or how you may change things up?
So we had first timers like JBSB, they brought things, music and violins and all some different instruments. Prospect College, they came with bagpipes and some unique instruments that just made the flavor of it so different and brought something very refreshing to the competition. So we look forward to more of that, more schools just broadening the scope, not just the regular, as you say, bass, drum, guitar, but tapping into other instruments, other areas as well.